Morning, guys. I'm going to run this raffle for Pedro. He had a nice charity, good cause here. He's giving away Hiccups custom bobblehead from the Hall of Fame. And there's also a Billy Hamilton freebie we'll throw in there for spot number 98. Thanks to J.R. Chavez. And we're going to go live. Local time in Cleveland is 7:53 a.m. Run up here and copy our list. Copy that. The dice one needs to be more than a 10, so I'm going to go 3 dice. And we have it 11, so going 11 times on this, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 10 times. The dice roll again was an 11. Next click gets the Hiccups. Thanks again, Pedro, for doing this. And 11. Brandon Silva. You are the winner of the Hiccups, and Pedro said spot number 98, I believe. Let's double check that. 98 will take Billy Hamilton. So 98 is Nando. Nando G, you did the Hamilton. And Brandon Silva, you got the Hiccups. Local time in Cleveland is 7:54 a.m. and we are done. Thanks, everybody.